Hey, what's up, everybody? I see a lot of people actually like this video, and some people disliked it. I'm thinking that you maybe didn't believe it, and I see a few comments here. This has been the most popular video we've seen thus far, so I just wanted to do a follow up. Check out this sound. Tell me if you're hearing this. Are you hearing that? Like, and you're supposed to only hear this in Chichen Itza. That's what I heard, but I don't know. You let me know right now. Comment down below. Have you heard this before at your hometown somewhere else other than Chichen Itza?